This Striebig Compact Plus 5207 vertical panel saw features a 15-foot 1-inch by 6-foot 9-inch cutting capacity and a 2 3/8 inch maximum thickness capacity. It's powered by a 4 horsepower 3-phase motor currently wired for 230 volt operation. It does have an auto-engaging splitting wedge, better known as a riving knife. It also features an auto upward shifting aluminum support grid with plastic laths.